Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply swipe down at the top of the screen. And here you can see the option controls at the top middle of the screen. Tap on it and now you can just simply see the option portrait. Here you can just simply tap on it to disable the portrait, and it is the way you can turn off portrait mode on Snapchat if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.